Hey guys, this is Gopi back with another video. In this video, we are going to discuss about rdbms. First and foremost, rdbms stands for Relational Database Management System. It's a database management system where we have a relationship. We will be discussing more about relationship. I will explain that. All the modern SQL based databases are based on rdbms. Let's say example, MySQL, Microsoft SQL Server, PostgreSQL, Oracle, these are all the modern databases. Of course, we do have other flavors as well like IBM DB2 and those stuff. All those are based on rdbms. All these rdbms databases are based on SQL. SQL stands for Structured Query Language, which comes with a predefined set of rules and regulations that needs to follow to write the query that can understand by the database system to execute it. That is query language that we will use to interact with the databases. All the data fetch, insert, update, delete, everything will be done only based off SQL. All these databases are designed to support the SQL language. That is why we call this as a SQL based databases. Previous to rdbms, we have dbms, which stores data in a flat file format, example XML. rdbms stores data in table format, which is more easy to access compared with the flat file. Since we have a data stored in a table format, it becomes easy for me to create a relationship between two different tables using joins, keys and those kind of stuff. Tables is nothing but rows and column. Each row we call it as a record, each column we call it as a field. Apart from storing data in a table format, we do have many other advantages with the rdbms, like normalization, constraint, which can achieve through ACID property, relationship, we already discussed what the relationship is, and as ability to handle the large amount of data. Also, it could support many user with a lot of other permissions as well. So all those advantages we have with rdbms, and we don't have any such kind of things with the dbms. As I already said, dbms stores data in a flat file format, which become more difficult to go through the data and find a data in it. We all know that whenever we do any file related operation, we have to open it, close it, handle it properly, then only it will work as it is. If not, it will lead to many problem like memory issue, wastage of memory due to duplicate record. We will not able to find out whether the record is already present in that. If the file size is so big, it will take a lot of time to open itself. So to overcome that lot of issue, we have rdbms, which comes with a solution for all those issues. Here is an example of the sample table, which we consider as a course table. You can see that the table contains two different columns. One is name, another one is course. We have two records. First record, Gopi JavaScript, and keep that in mind. Gopi is the value for the field name, JavaScript is a value for the field course. Likewise, we have another record which is nothing but Arun C#, and Arun value for the name field, and C# is a value for the course, and that's how usually we will be storing data in a table format. This is name is the column and course is another column, and we have Gopi JavaScript, that one row, right? That row is nothing but a record. I do have two different records in the table course. That's all about the rdbms things. In the upcoming video, we will be discussing how to use SQL query to create database, table, insert record into the table and those kind of the things. Till then, bye, take care.